If you're in the market for a pretty cool early model Holden panel van, at Grays Online this month, we've got this EJ fan coming up. Now, it's a windowless fan, and windowless fans are always a lot more popular and a lot more collectible than the ones with the windows. The car's been restored quite a few years back, and he's done a cracker job. It's running a 179 with twin carbies on it. This car also has power steering, power assisted disc brake front end, 4-speed on the floor manual gearbox, power windows, bucket seats. The console in the car is out of a later model HX, and it's just a really, really nice, it's not overdone, but it's just a very, very nice, cool car. It's got great period mag wheels on it. The engine's nice and healthy. With the power steering, it really makes it a lot nicer to drive. We haven't driven it far, just down the road and back, but it's just a very cool car to drive. And a car that's been restored quite a few years ago, the body is still in very, very good order. I can't see any little rust bubbles or blemishes on it. And you really don't see these cars come up too much. So this one's come this month at Grays Online. If you're after something super cool and very rare, and something that's going to be a little bit nicer driving than a standard old Holden, well, it's well worth having a look at this one. So give us a call on 1300 Classic, or shoot us an email to classic@grays.com.au.